Good Wednesday morning, everybody. Hump day is here. Have a great day. It's about 53, 54 degrees here. Have a great day. Stay safe. Be careful if you get out and about. I'll see you later today. Have a great one, everybody. Be careful.